Out your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chasers.
Yes, you that loud. Now? You calm down, son. Yeah. That's why I said I gotta get that antifreeze up in there. Huh? My daycare lady? Yeah. Drive what car? The Avalon? So it seems that I'm having an ECU issue and my car keep bringing up this check engine light. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Once my phone case get off of my keys. All right. So it brings up this check engine light. And I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's pretty quiet out here. So my fuel pump didn't kick on. So I did a little research and it is the ECU. So the ECU is tripping. The ECU is tripping, and it is the fuse or component in the ECU for the relay to kick on for the fuel pump. Not the main relay that's underneath the dashboard and everything. It's not that. That works perfectly fine. I hear that click. I can hear that click. It's just the fuel pump that's not priming. So the little bit of research that I did do, it says that it's not warm enough. Okay, yeah, ECU sits outside in the car, and I'm just hearing that it's not warm enough. So, yeah, just a little information. So this little piece of clip right here, you'll see that the check engine light goes off. Yeah. And the vehicle starts to prime right here. So, with that saying being said, it's a component or capacitor that's in the ECU that is not warm enough. Or it could just be the fuel pump itself. I do have a 450 wall burn that I want to throw in. So, yeah. So here I'm driving the car for the first time since I put the B16 motor in. The car been sitting for nice lengthy time. I did not know my wife was recording, and I appreciate her for that. So we're going to the gas station to get some gas, and the car's smoking because I put a lot of oil in the piston chambers due to me knowing that the car will sit for some time. But please do enjoy. I thank my wife for recording.
Straight there. Okay, nice. Just want him to see all the smoke he got coming out of the car. Smell like fried eggs. bro, that's a stop sign.
Ran and got some gas. She not driving real smooth, but you know, get back to the house. So last night, I ran out to grab some gas and something to eat for the wife and kids, and also put some air in the tires in our family vehicle. And man, I ran into these two cats, you know, out where I live at, and man, it was real cool, man. I did forget their names because I'm bad with names. A little better with faces though, but I'll definitely get their names. Also be trying to add them into the channel and also into my my car group family, in which they added me into theirs. And I got a little clip of them, you know, kind of two-stepping and revving up on those exhausts and motors. Sound great. One of the guys was telling me, you know, he knows someone, or he know a guy or two, whomever, that also could help me with my exhaust and a little bit more. But from my understanding, there's plenty of these guys, and they like to have fun and enjoy themselves just like anybody else do. So, you know, definitely gonna kick it with them when I get a chance, and be a helping hand if I can, whenever I can, to help other people with their cars. You know, hopefully they can do the same. But throw that clip in right here, and
exhaust work. Holla at me, bro.